Hello, this is Joe from Safe Dry, back with another quality terrazzo restoration recently done in the Fort Myers area. This is a job we did down in the Fort Myers and Cape Coral area, where we came in, we used the heavy grinder to grind, hone, polish, and seal. We ground down into the floor, we brought the floor up to a beautiful shine. We didn't use any topical sealer on these floors. All the shines you see on these floors are done with diamonds only. The sealer goes into the floor to protect your investment, but doesn't go on top of the floor where it can scratch up. We're able to give this kind of a shine and not have any topical finish on the floor. If you have any questions or you want us to come and give you an estimate, please give us a call at 877-824-0501 or log on to our website at www.safedry.com. Some of these other pictures we show in here are from the surrounding vicinity, and you can see that in these jobs we got some really great shines also. So give us a call, 877-824-0501, so we can start you down the road to a quality terrazzo restoration at your house. Thank you, and we hope you have a great day. Goodbye.